All right, round 2 for Nick here. Going to do another one of these Leaf Holiday boxes. Going to go to the bottom this time. Good luck. All right, start off with Dom Williams. Shane Ray, base autograph. Julien Gauthier. Or Gauthier. I guess that's how it's pronounced. 45. Nice looking Jalen Ramsey, 4 of 7. Black refractor, metal. Golf hit, Nancy Lopez, 2 of 3. Shirt piece. Byron Buxton, very nice. Retro proof, 1 of 2. And we'll finish with pre-production proof. Cal Ripken Jr., 1 of 1. Very cool. Iron Man. There's the back to the Cal 101. Sweet, man. Appreciate it once again. Let me know if I can get you anything else.